YouTube's monetization rules are evolving to prioritize original content. Videos lacking originality, such as mass-produced or AI-generated content without added value, will not qualify for ad revenue. This policy update rewards creators who produce engaging, helpful, and entertaining content. Demonetized content often includes stock photo slideshows with AI voiceovers and unoriginal top 10 lists. AI assistance in scriptwriting, editing, or subtitling is acceptable if the final product retains the creator's unique perspective. Original tutorials, reviews, stories, and commentary that showcase the creator's personality remain highly valued. AI should be used to add value, inject personality, and transform existing content in the creation process. Creators should use AI as a tool to enhance creativity, rather than replace it. Originality and a human-driven feel are prioritized on YouTube, rewarding authentic and engaging content.